Alright, this video I'm going to do a DIY how to mount this fire extinguisher using stainless L brackets. Okay, I'm going to be mounting the Amerex B417 fire extinguisher right onto here, right here. Stock bracket, you see that? The stock bracket is a release for emergency. It's just one pull, very convenient. Everybody's used to this. I don't like what's sold on the aftermarket where you have to mount a complete contraption. The parts I'm going to be using are two L brackets that I got from Amazon. These are 304 stainless steel L brackets. They're already brushed. An 8mm metric button head screw. Basically, this can be mounted directly to the bracket and put on a screw and nut onto the fire extinguisher bracket yourself, or rivet it in. Fire extinguisher only weighs about 3 pounds. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld this small stainless steel plate. The plate will be welded into the brackets like so. I'm going to trim the side so that it looks nice and there's no excess sticking out.
Okay, to drill out we're gonna have to bore out the second hole to mount that 8mm screw. That stainless steel is really hard, so you're gonna need a cobalt type of drill bit. The size I use is a 5/16.
It's temporarily mounted in with the 8mm metric bolt screw. I tightened it. I measured and made sure that it's parallel. The manufacturer says it can hold up to 36 pounds. The fire extinguisher is about 3 to 4 pounds. So I think that's more than enough. Extinguisher would mount here. I'm going to be using this plate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp this in. Now that we have it completely clamped in, I'm going to take the assembly off and then go weld it. That's what it looks like after it's been cut. Let's weld it. Okay, now we just mount the fire extinguisher bracket to this, and that's it. You can see the placement of the fire extinguisher bracket. It's going to be about this low. Okay, the bracket's done. So the only thing left is to mount it on the back of the Jeep. I'm too lazy to go to the hardware store to get more screws, stainless steel screws, so I'm just going to use a rivet. These are 3/16 rivet. Instead of a 30-minute job going back and forth to the Lowe's, I'll just put all the rivets in. They are all in. It's nice and sturdy. Here's what it looks like. Okay, so it's going to go right here, right? I've got the mat on. This is what it's going to look like. Pretty sturdy. That's how it looks like completed.